In this video, we are going to look at 3 stocks based on option flow. Then we are going to look at the fundamental technical algorithmic and artificial intelligence. Based on the information we are going to analyze the stocks. We will be using the Traditics website to identify the 3 stocks. Please use the link below to subscribe to the website. General disclaimer, any opinions provided is general market information for educational and entertainment purposes only and do not constitute as investment advice.
In this video, we're going to look at the 3 stocks in the option flow. So here are the stocks we're going to pick. So we're going to pick BABA, HOOD, and CBX, all on the bullish side. Okay, the first stock will be CBX. Let's go to stock CBX. Okay, Chevron, this is a oil company. PE is a good revenue. So this support resistance. Look at the volume flow at this point here, it's very heavy. So it's basically this is a resistance here, so it's moving towards the resistance. Let's look at the projection. Projection say upward, okay, because it probably will hit this. So there's a resistance line right here, and probably it will go till that line. Okay, so now let's look at the AI. AI is also very positive. Look at the options flow. Options flow is, overall flow is bullish. Algo is also bullish. There's almost 95% calls. So a lot of calls. You can see 9 million calls and 0.29 million puts. You can see the stock is at 107 and there's a lot of calls on 105. You can see here it's all green here, beyond 106, 108, 112. So if you look at the heat map of the calls, so there's limited number of puts, but there are a lot of calls. The calls are ranging from 115. There's a lot of 115, 107. So this is 12 orders and 13 orders of 105. And the smart money is betting that the stock is going to go up. And all other signals are green. Next stock is Robinhood. Okay, so it has some revenue, but PE ratio is very high. Support resistance line, so just just on the support line. Basically, is going on a sideways track. Look at projections. So it's also saying that it's going to go sideways to up. So let's look at values coming down. Let's look at AI. AI is also bullish. Let's look at option flow. Bullish, but algo is bearish. Okay, so there is calls is 16 million, puts are 6 million. The ratio is 4.4, so it's not trending in the bullish bearish direction. So the stock is at 42. You can see there's a lot of dominant strike at 40. So you can see that there's a lot of put volume also. It's also call volume, put volume. So if you look at the strikes, there's a lot of some orders on 60 and 50, but most of the orders are below 42. It looks like a bearish setup to me. Next stock is going to be Alibaba. So it's a good, fundamentally very good stock. It's like Amazon. Support resistance level. So it is crossing one resistance level here. There's a bearish candle, but it's basically trying to cross that, and MACD is up. Volume also is little up. So let's look at projection. Projection is saying downwards or sideways, so it may consolidate, may hit this and go back down before it can go up. So if you see here, there's a clear trend line. Right, so basically it's going to go, probably may go down also. Let's look at Algo. Algo is bullish. Let's look at flow. Overall flow is bullish. Algo is also bullish. Put open interest is higher than call open interest, but call volume is higher. So a lot of probably existing contracts are more, but there's a lot of new calls coming in. 63 million calls and 14 million puts. So ratio is 90%. So you can see the stock is at 162. There is dominant strike at 160 and 170. You can see a lot of green beyond 155 and above. You can see that there's a lot of orders at 190, 10 orders and 190, 8 orders at 180. So there's a lot of 180 range. There's a lot of orders. So this looks very bullish to me. So Baba is one stock to play. So this is a pivot point analysis on Baba. So if you see here, Baba is basically cutting across a CPR and is heading towards a S1 level, right? So very strong candles. So it's probably going to cut S1 and go to S2. So if you look at next day's candle also, it is little higher and is narrow and little higher. So it's probably going to go up for a couple of more days. Here is Chevron. This is also very bullish setup. So it basically cut across. It basically did not even touch the CPR. It basically went ahead. You can see that it's going to the S2. So and there's a narrow CPR and it's above, so it's probably going to go up. Here we have Robinhood. Basically it is trying to cut across the CPR. It's going to be a little difficult, so it probably will go down. This also the CPR, next day CPR is also lower, so it's probably going to go down and hit the S1. So this looks like bearish. So CVX is bullish, Baba also bullish, Hood is bearish. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, like and comment, and also recommend this video to your friends and family. Thank you.